Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Huwagi ang Boston Celtics kontra sa Charlotte Hornets 124-109. Top performer si Jason Tatum sa likod ng kanang 32 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. LaMelo Ball 31 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 steal. Huwagi din ang Cleveland Cavaliers kontra sa Orlando Magic 120-109. Top performer si Darius Garland sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Jalen Suggs 28 points, 8 rebounds, 7 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng New York Knicks ang Detroit Pistons 128-98. Top performer si Jalen Brunson sa likod ng kanyang 36 points, 1 rebound, 5 assists at 2 steals. Cade Cunningham 22 points, 6 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 block. Panalo naman ng Sacramento Kings kontra sa Atlanta Hawks 123-115. Top performer si De'Aaron Fox sa likod ng kanang 31 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists at 4 steals. Trae Young 25 points, 5 rebounds at 12 assists. Panalo din ang Brooklyn Nets kontra sa Chicago Bulls 120-112. Top performer si Cam Thomas sa likod ng kanang 32 points, 4 assists at 1 steal. Nikola Vucevic 28 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Pinadapa naman ng Los Angeles Lakers ang Toronto Raptors 131-125. Top performer si Anthony Davis sa likod ng kanang 38 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals at 2 blocks. RJ Barrett 33 points, 5 rebounds at 12 assists. Panalo naman ang New Orleans Pelicans kontra sa Indiana Pacers 125-118. Top performer si Zion Williamson sa likod ng kanang 34 points, 6 rebounds, 10 assists at 2 steals. Ben Shepherd 20 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist. Pinataob naman ng Minnesota Timberwolves ang Denver Nuggets 119-116. Top performer si Anthony Edwards sa likod ng kanang 29 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Aaron Gordon 31 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan naman ng Oklahoma City Thunder ang Portland Trail Blazers 137-114. Top performer si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists at 4 steals. Jeremy Grant 17 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of November 2, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 6 wins, 0 loss. Boston Celtics 5 wins, 1 loss. New York Knicks 3 wins, 2 losses. Orlando Magic 3 wins, 3 losses. Brooklyn Nets 3 wins, 3 losses. Chicago Bulls 3 wins, 3 losses. Washington Wizards 2 wins, 2 losses. Miami Heat 2 wins, 2 losses. Charlotte Hornets 2 wins, 3 losses. Atlanta Hawks 2 wins, 4 losses. Indiana Pacers 2 wins, 4 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 1 win, 3 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win, 4 losses. Toronto Raptors 1 win, 5 losses. Detroit Pistons 1 win, 5 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of November 2, 2024. Oklahoma City Thunder 5 wins, 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 4 wins, 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 4 wins, 1 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 4 wins, 2 losses. Houston Rockets 3 wins, 2 losses. Dallas Mavericks 3 wins, 2 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 3 wins, 2 losses. Sacramento Kings 3 wins, 2 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 3 wins, 3 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 3 wins, 3 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 2 wins, 3 losses. San Antonio Spurs 2 wins, 3 losses. Denver Nuggets 2 wins, 3 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 2 wins, 4 losses. Utah Jazz 0 win, 5 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 3, 2024 Philippine time. Maglalaban ang Boston Celtics at Charlotte Hornets alas 6 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Memphis Grizzlies at Philadelphia 76ers alas 7:30 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Sacramento Kings at Toronto Raptors alas 7:30 ng umaga. Kakalabanin naman ng Golden State Warriors ang Houston Rockets alas 8 ng umaga. Magtutuos naman ang Cleveland Cavaliers at Milwaukee Bucks alas 8 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Minnesota Timberwolves at San Antonio Spurs alas 8 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Miami Heat at Washington Wizards alas 9:30 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Utah Jazz at Denver Nuggets alas 10 ng umaga. Maghaharap din ang Portland Trail Blazers at Phoenix Suns alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Oklahoma City Thunder at Los Angeles Clippers alas 10:30 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.